Gina from WTI. As a cat owner, I love to pamper my little fur baby Elsie whenever possible. She loves anything that is seafood based. Now, I haven't tasted this myself, but I've seen the way that she slurps it up, so I know that she enjoys it. This trio of gourmet cat food from Purina Fancy Feast has been such a nice little treat for Elsie. The flavors come in tuna, seafood, and salmon. And of course, those flavors are going to be at the top of any cat's palate. I love how easy the cans are to open, and it's a small enough amount that I don't have to save some for later in the fridge. It's just the perfect amount for her to eat at one time. I love that it has gravy in it, and it's very moist and succulent. I love that these have no artificial preservatives or colors, and that makes me feel good about feeding it to her. I can tell Elsie enjoys eating the 3 different flavors that come in this trio, and that makes me happy, and that's my point of view.